Happy New Year, beautiful people. I hope you had an awesome celebration. Hello, lovelies. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to ventilate a full frontal. If this looks like what will interest you, watch the video to the end. Okay, to make this, you'll need a frontal. You need a venting pin, T-pins, or if you have an office when you can make use of that. Then you need a hair bundle for this, a 14 inches bone straight. So I used I didn't finish the bundle anyway, it was remaining small. I used more than half. So this clip you're seeing now is just to show you what I'm doing. Not that you're going to use a crochet pin to ventilate. No, you don't use the crochet pin. You use the first pin I showed you. So this is just me illustrating what I did at on the other clip you saw before this one. So this is exactly what I was doing. Then you're just going to repeat this process until you're done. Then before then, there was a clip that we've passed already, and that particular clip, I'm trying to see if I can bring it back so you will see what I'm trying to explain. So when you fix the frontal on your canvas head, what you're going to do is you're going to start from one side. That one side you're going to start from is, you will look at the closure closely. That's the Swiss list. You will see a slant line. So you're going to ventilate on the slant line. So we are doing a double knot method here. So it's got double knotting. So you're going to knot double. Then one thing with this particular method is that it takes time, but lasts more. So this is just what you're going to do until you're done. If you have any question or contribution, please feel free to drop it at the comment section. Then to all my amazing subscribers, you guys are the boss. Thank you so much. And if you're here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Support your girl by subscribing.
Kamzarastv.
Okay, there is an important thing I forgot to say. So from the back, or at the back, you're going to pick up to 3 strands of hair. Then at the middle you will pick just 2, then 2 inches to finishing at the front. You will pick just one strand, a strand. Okay, all right.